Hi, my name's Melissa Shank, and on behalf of expertvillage.com, today we're discussing cruise traveling tips. Now, we've discussed some packing ideas to take along with you, also your carry-on luggage. Let's discuss some packing tips. For instance, how do we avoid wrinkles when we are packing? Some good ideas. One, take your belts, put them around the outside part of your luggage. Your shoes, you can line them around the outer parts of your luggage as well. To avoid wrinkles, a good idea is to actually layer your clothing. What I mean by that is take similar colored clothes and lay them together. You can take bags that you would get, say, at a department store if you're buying an outfit, or you can get it at your dry cleaners, especially the clear bags. Clear is always good because if you're going into a warmer destination and you're layering your luggage with these bags, sometimes darker bags, the ink off of the plastic will get on your clothes. So you want to be careful of that. But if you line your luggage and layer your clothing with this, it will actually help to avoid wrinkles. Also, some good ideas. Definitely bring with you some extra bags so that through the week you can put your dirty laundry in the bags. If you're going to a hotel or something, you can always keep their laundry bags and put them away for when you're going traveling for another time. Always a good idea. Keep these bags with you, and also for your carry-on luggage, or if you have to pack any of your liquids in your luggage that you're checking in, perhaps at the airport, use Ziploc bags. You don't necessarily want to take your larger canisters of shampoo and conditioner. Get smaller ones, but always to avoid any leaks. I've had it happen to me. You open up your luggage and you've had a spill on your clothing. So to avoid that, you can either put it in a Ziploc bag or actually double bag it. It definitely helps, and if you have any leaks, it will be contained within the plastic. So these are just a couple of ideas for when you're packing to keep in mind.